What if I told you just 5 free Chrome extensions could help you make $100 a day online, starting today? In 2025, freelancers are using them to work smarter, not harder. Ready to level up? Hey there! If you're freelancing or looking to start an online income in 2025, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 5 powerful Chrome extensions that aren't only free, but can actually help you earn real money online. Let's be honest, freelancing in 2025 isn't as easy as people make it look. Competition is rising, and standing out takes more than just skill. It takes strategy. You spend hours writing proposals, answering emails, posting on socials, but most of it doesn't pay. Time is money, and freelancers are losing both. And let's not forget, most freelancers don't even know which tools exist that could automate half their workload. That means missed income, missed clients, missed growth. But what if the problem isn't you, it's your toolkit? Smart freelancers are now using AI-powered Chrome extensions to save time, win clients, and earn more automatically. First up, Honey. This free extension auto-applies the best coupon codes when you shop online. But here's the trick. It also gives you cash back. That's real money back for things you're already buying. Next, ChatGPT Writer. Whether you're replying to clients on Gmail or pitching for jobs, this extension writes clear, professional responses with just a click. No stress, more success. Want to impress clients? Use Loom. It lets you record your screen and face to explain things clearly. Great for proposals, tutorials, or client updates. Saves hours of back and forth. And don't skip Grammarly and WebChatGPT. Grammarly fixes your writing. WebChatGPT brings real-time internet data into ChatGPT. Together, they turn you into a fast, confident pro. Just a few months ago, Sarah, an online writer from Texas, was working 10 hours a day and barely making $400 a month. Then she discovered 3 simple Chrome extensions, Grammarly, Loom, and ChatGPT Writer, and everything changed. With Loom, she started sending video proposals. With ChatGPT, her replies got sharper. She landed 4 new clients in just 2 weeks and crossed $1,000 a month. Sarah didn't change who she was, she just changed her tools. If she can do it, you can too. Your browser is your business partner in 2025. So there you have it, 5 simple Chrome extensions that smart freelancers are using in 2025 to save time, earn more, and reduce stress. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Ready to upgrade your workflow? Try these tools today and share your favorite in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the blog for more income tips.